Dear students, we are discussing first order differential equations. Today we will discuss what is a linear differential equation. So all of you know what is a linear equation. An equation is said to be linear if it is of degree 1. Okay. Now what is a linear differential equation? A differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and its derivatives in the equation are of first degree and they are not multiplied together. Okay, that is, a differential equation is said to be linear differential equation if the dependent variable and its derivatives in the equation, that is present in the equation, are of first degree and they are not multiplied. Okay. Now, what is the general form of a linear differential equation of order n? It can be expressed implicitly as some function of x, y, y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, etc. nth derivative yn equal to 0. Here x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. Okay, and corresponding derivatives y dash, y double dash, etc. of the dependent variable. Okay, or in another form, it can be expressed as d raised to n y by dx raised to n plus p1 of x into d raised to n minus 1 by dx raised to n minus 1 plus p2 of x into d raised to n minus 2y by dx raised to n minus 2 plus etc. plus pn of x into y equal to 0, where p1 of x, p2 of x, p3 of x, etc. pn of x are functions of x alone or constants. Okay, so what will be the general form of a first order linear differential equation? So putting n equal to 1 in this expression, we will get the general form of a first order differential equation. Takes the implicit form, say capital F of x, y, y dash equal to 0, or in another form, which is called the general form of the linear differential equation in y as dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, where p of x and q of x are either functions of x alone or constants. Now, in this case, what happens to this equation if the right side of the equation is 0? If the right side of the equation, that is q of x equal to 0, such first order linear differential equation is called homogeneous. So a homogeneous first order linear differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to 0. Okay. So what will be the corresponding equation? What is the linear differential equation in x? Before that, if q of x is non-zero, we call this equation as non-homogeneous linear differential equation. Okay. If q of x equals 0, it is homogeneous. If q of x is non-zero, it is non-homogeneous. Now, we will see the standard form or the general form of a first order linear differential equation in x as dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y, where p of y and q of y are either functions of y alone or constants. Okay. Now, how to solve a first order homogeneous linear differential equation? Suppose we want to solve this equation dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to 0. You take it as equation 1. Now, if it is homogeneous, it is very clear that this equation can be reduced into variable separable form. which gives dy by y is equal to minus p of x into dx. On integration, we will get the solution as y is equal to c e raised to minus integral p of x dx. I have written this shortly, p dx, right? C e raised to minus integral p dx, where the constant of integration c is e raised to c1. Okay, by taking exponential on both sides of this equation, we will get the exponential form of the solution as y is equal to c e raised to minus integral p of x dx. Okay, where c is equal to e raised to c1. Now if c is equal to 0, we are getting a particular solution from the general solution. That solution is called the general trivial solution of the given homogeneous linear differential equation. That is, if c equal to 0, we get a particular solution called the trivial solution given by y of x equal to 0. Okay. Now, suppose we want to solve the equation dy by dx plus y tan x equal to 0. We will see some illustration. So, comparing the given equation with the standard form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to 0. Here p of x equal to tan x. So, taking the general form of the solution, we have the general solution is y of x equal to c e raised to minus integral p of x dx. What is p of x? P of x is tan x. So, the general solution is y of x equal to c cos x. Okay. Another illustration. Suppose we want to solve the equation dy by dx plus y cot x equal to 0. You compare this equation with the standard form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to 0. Comparing p of x equal to cot x. So general solution is y of x equal to c e raised to minus of integral p of x dx. Substituting, we will get y of x equal to c cosecant x. Okay. Some exercise for you. Solve the following similar questions, okay, by the previous method. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. Okay.